Got our Cuisinart toaster and kettle. Thought I'd do a video of unboxing. So here we go. This is the toaster. It came in another cardboard box, which I thought wouldn't film. There's no point. Set of instructions. So we've got the 4-slice toaster and a 3-year warranty, which is pretty good. So let's see what we got. So it's pretty straightforward. Just an egg carton case, and here it is on the front. I'll just pause this while I take it out of the box. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. And there's a little tag here. Obviously got to remove that. Turn it on. I'm about to turn it on for the first time. Oh, looks quite nice. Looks like I better read the instructions for this one. And sorry, I've got a hungry cat. She's yelling out for her food in the background. So I'm inserting a slice of toast. I haven't read the instructions. So let's see. White bread is flashing, so I'm guessing that's it. Number 4. So I guess you can... Oh, that's a sticker. Thank goodness. I thought it was looking pretty horrible with the sticker on it. Let's take the sticker off. That's much nicer. Okay, so I think all you got to do is just... Oh, look at that. So far so good. Yep, it seems to be heating up quite nicely. The only thing I would have liked were the areas to be a bit wider for bigger slice of bread. Pause. So yeah, let's see. This is just for the demonstration purposes. I've just changed the shade, which I'm guessing is how dark you can get it. So I've got it at 2, so let's see how it comes out. And there you go, it's done. And yeah, I just had it very light, and plus this is sourdough, so it doesn't get dark that easily. Alright, so very good, very happy. Thanks for watching.